How to use security in the cryptocurrency market in the best way. Security in the cryptocurrency market is a critical concern due to the decentralized and digital nature of these assets. Here are some important points related to security in the cryptocurrency market. Private keys. Private keys are essential for accessing and controlling cryptocurrencies. Maintaining the security of the private key is crucial. Users must store their private keys securely, such as in hardware wallets or paper wallets. Wallets. There are different types of wallets such as online, web, desktop, mobile and hardware wallets. Each has its own security implications. Hardware wallets are generally considered more secure as they keep private keys offline. 2FA, two-factor authentication. Adding two-factor authentication to your account increases security. This requires a second verification method in addition to the password, usually a code sent to a mobile device. Phishing and scams. Phishing attacks aim to trick users into revealing their confidential information. Users should be aware of fraudulent emails, fake websites and misleading messages. Updates and patches. Keeping your wallet software and any related software up to date is crucial to ensuring the latest security fixes are installed. Exchange security. Cryptocurrency exchanges are frequent targets of attacks. An exchange's reputation and security practices should be researched before using it. It is recommended that exchanges use security protocols such as HTTPS and store most funds in cold, offline, wallets. Smart contracts. Some cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, allow the execution of smart contracts. The security of these contracts is vital as failures can result in the loss of funds. Auditing smart contracts is a common practice. Regulation. Regulation varies globally. In some places, it helps protect investors, while in others, a lack of it can lead to fraudulent activities. Investors should be aware of local laws and choose platforms that comply. Data backup. Regularly backing up data, including private keys and account information, helps prevent losses due to hardware failure or human error. User education. Education is fundamental. Users should understand the risks associated with cryptocurrencies, be aware of security practices, and stay up to date on emerging threats. Keep in mind that the cryptocurrency landscape is dynamic and security practices may evolve over time. Therefore, it is essential to stay informed about the latest security trends and best practices. Thank you, guys.